Alessya, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a video on trying curly hairstyles. So this is my finished product of what I did today. So keep watching the video if you want to see how I did it and the steps to take and the tools needed. This hairstyle was surprisingly easy. I've never I don't know. I can't really I thought I was gonna miserably fail at this, if I'm being honest, but it turned out way better than I thought.
It's cute.
And to be honest, I might even turn this into a series of just trying curly hairstyles, just different ones. So let me know if you want me to do that. But yeah, let's just get straight into it. Okay, so the first thing I gotta do is refresh my curls, because when I take this out, it's gonna be an actual bird's nest, and it's not cute. I couldn't do the hairstyle with a bird's nest, so I have to refresh my curls. How do you do that, you may ask? I just spray it. I actually highly I highly recommend investing in one of these. It's just a spray bottle of water. I use it to refresh my curls every morning on day 2, day 3. This is day 2 here. Yeah, it's day 2 here. I just spray it with water to refresh my curls, so yeah. You know what? It doesn't even look that bad today. I've seen worse. It's been out to here, naughty, no. Some days it's absolutely disgusting, so I'm glad when I'm filming it doesn't look like that. Look fine. Okay, the part's already there. I just spray it. Yeah, let's just get into it. Okay, I refreshed my hair. Now let's get into the actual hairstyle. Okay, so the tools you're gonna need for this are bobby pins, these tiny elastics. Then you're gonna wanna use gel and an edge brush. And finally, a brush to part your hair. Yo, what? I just broke off a bristle of the, Okay, to start off, you're gonna wanna grab the 2 front sections of your hair, like this, about this much each. And you're gonna wanna have to use this brush to just make the sections even, because if you don't, it's gonna look like a mess. Is that even? Yeah, kind of. Okay, so with these, you're just literally gonna wanna put it aside in a little bun, because this is just gonna be the finishing touch at the end of the hairstyle.
Girl, what the
This looks so stupid, but bear with me. I look like a goddamn poodle right now with its ears, but again, bear with me. Next thing you're going to do is part here and grab 2 sections this size. Keep it at the front and then put the rest of your hair in a little bun at the back. Okay, next is a lot of braiding. So you're gonna wanna split both of these sections into 4 more sections, and then that's what's being braided. Okay, so this is my section 1 out of 4 for this side. You're gonna wanna brush through it with your fingers just so when you braid it, it's not knotted. Also, keep in mind you don't need any skill for this, as it's no French braid or anything, it's just a normal braid. Okay, and when you're done, you're gonna want to grab one of those tiny elastics and then just tie it at the end. Holy shit, how many times is this gonna go around? Girl. Okay.
1 braid done.
Okay, second section, you're gonna want to do the same exact thing. Okay, 2 braids done. Just repeat the same thing for the rest of the head. Okay, the 4 braids on each side are done. Make sure they're parted right, because if it's gonna look messy if the parts aren't like done with an actual brush. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna do is discluding the 2 front ones with each one. So the 2, like the second ones, we're gonna cross them over and then bobby pin them down. And then same for the 3rd and the 4th. Like just crisscross them with each other, except for these ones, leave them at the front. Okay, honestly, I couldn't tell you much on how to do that because I don't know what I'm doing, to be honest. But we'll get through it. We'll try. Okay, that part's done, and then now this one. Okay, the first 2 are pinned down. That one hurt. Ow. Okay, so we're done that step, and then the 2 are left at the front. Okay, we could finally take this stupid bun out. Wow, okay, cute. I think we should spray these with water. Okay, I just sprayed them. I need to find my part again. Next, you're gonna want to grab your gel, just a tiny bit. Just add it to the 2 front parts. And then twist them. Okay, yeah, but next, edges. This whole thing was hard to do on camera, like as a whole, but the edges are gonna be even harder because I need like a close-up, and this camera I can't really see, so that. Okay, so if you've never done edges before, you're gonna want to take your gel, put it on your brush or toothbrush, whatever you're using. You can use a toothbrush, that's what I used to use, but yeah, just take your gel, put it on, and then I'll teach you how I do mine, but you could do whatever you want for them. Okay, so first you're gonna want to brush everything like downwards. That's what I do. And then after it's all like slicked, just cut across. And I like making like a little wave, so I go up like that. And then just bring it back up. I like doing like swirls. Oh, this piece isn't long enough. Okay, good enough. Okay, and this side, I'm doing the same thing, just brushing it down. I kind of want to make a little zigzag thing again. This I'll leave for the middle, this part. Just do that now. Should I make, yeah, I'll make another swirl thing. Okay, I've never done like edges like this before. This isn't how my edges usually look, but I tried something new, low-key. Okay, finally you could take the back out. You gotta refreshen that because it's kind of not it right now. I'm just going back in with the spray bottle to refreshen everything. Okay, and the very last thing you're gonna want to do is hairspray it. Okay, and here's the finished product. It's come to an end, guys. We finished, we're done. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed like me showing you how to do it. Half the time I had to go off camera to fix it because it would have looked like an actual mess, but we did it. We did it. Like I said before, I want to turn this into a series of just trying curly hairstyles. So again, let me know in the comment section below if you want that. But don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, share with your friends, and click that notification bell to get notified every time I post. Again, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys with my whole heart. I'll see you in the next video.